Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.